Yeah, go.
I like the trees though, like privacy. So
Okay. Like I had told him, you can cut them down if you want to.
I like like the wildlife. So I don't want to be that close to it. Like as
Okay.
far as Bob.
Oh yeah. Go over this hill and that's it. Neighbors. Yeah, we can stop it when you're ready. The video. Yeah, I think that'd be nice.
I don't know about
Clear off.
you
About a half an acre coming this way here.
But that's half acre. That's a big spot though, you know?
Yeah.
Or however you want to do it. Do what you want to do. It don't matter. But you're going to need to be down here when it starts. That's all.
Okay. So if we found somebody to clear the land, we have to, like, are they gonna ask us for permission to do X?
Yeah, go.
I like the trees though, like privacy. So
Okay. Like I had told him, you can cut them down if you want to.
I like like the wildlife. So I don't want to be that close to it. Like as far as Bob. I get one of them jumping videos.
Get all this too, even though it ain't. Come on, Coop.
Come on. Come on, Cooper. I got Chi. Cooper, come on. Cooper.
Come on. Go. Come on. Go.
Come on. Let's check it out.